So good morning students. What we discussed in last class, we discussed SOP problem, POS problem, and what is K-map, right? What is K-map? So K-map is a graphical display of truth table variable or truth table content, right? There is a K-map. So we have discussed in the K-map what are the how to write a K-map for the 2 variable, 3 and 4 variable. So let's continue the K-map concept. What is the full form of K-map? That is Kerner map. Okay. So here we have the main 3 important terms. So or else is a subtopic of the K-map that are pair, next quad, quads, next octave. Octaves. Octave. Right? Octave. Okay. These are the main 3 important topic in a K-map. So the first one is a pair, quad and octaves. So what is the meaning of pair, quad, octave? So these are the component or else these are the terms to solve the K-map using these terms. Okay, these are the terms to solve the K-map, or else it can be a reduction of the K-map using these terms. That is a pair, octave, quad and octave. We'll see one by one now. The first one is a pair. So what is pair? So by means says pair, which means the 2 variable together, that is a pair, right? Which means here in a K-map, the 2 values are together. If there is any 2 values are together, that is called as a pair. Which means 2 adjacent one are considered encircled. Which means here we are doing with the SOP problem. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, SOP ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. SOP ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಏನಂತ. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆ K-map ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, that all are come under SOP because here we are using AND operation. Here also will continue the same. So whatever the example I am showing in all the terms or in all the topic, that is under the SOP to make you understand. So you can apply these terms, with the POS also. But usually when I explain the concept, I am using the SOP. By default we are using the SOP. Okay. So here what is pair now? The adjacent one is encircled. That's called a pair. 2 adjacent ones encircled is called pair. 2 adjacent encircled, it's called pair. CE, it is E, this C, don't get confused. Okay. 2 adjacent ones encircled is called as a pair. What it means? 2 adjacent one means what? One are in a adjacent form, which means they are placed together. See here, this one. In a K-map, 2 ones are adjacent. They are placed together. So these ones are encircled. This is called a pair. Okay. Which means ನೀವು ಏನು K-map ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 0 ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು 1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆದರೂ ಇದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅದೇನಾದ್ರು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ, ಪೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ 2 adjacent ones encircled, that is a pair. Okay. So it is in a vertical form. How it is now? Like this. So this is a pair. This is a pair. So how we'll get 1, 2, 1, 0. Adu nimge gottagutte later. Okay. You will learn about that is how the 1 is come like this. So you get the in a later topic. So as of now, you should know that how to what is pair, how to define the pair, or how to find the pair in a K-map. So if in a K-map, if there is a two ones are together, placed together, or there two adjacent ones are together, that is called as a pair. We are encircled with thus two ones. So that is a pair. Next is a quads. So quads means what? 4 adjacent 1. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 adjacent ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ 2 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್, 4 adjacent 1 is encircled. Here 4 adjacent 1 is encircled, that is called as a quad. Means how we are representing. If it is in a horizontal form, that look like this. So you are encircled these 4 ones. K-map alli ee 4 enagirutte, they are placed frequently one, that is a one quadrant. Again it is in representing in vertical, that's like this, like this. Vertical ಆದರೆ ಈ ತರ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, horizontal ಆದರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So which means ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ones ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು quad ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀರಾ. So it may be in a vertical form or it may be in a horizontal form. So that's called as a pair, sorry, quad. Okay, here next octet is a 8. Octet is a 8 adjacent 1 encircled. So how 8 means, consider here only. ನೋಡಿ 8 ones ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ K-map ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು encircle ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this is a octet. This is a octet. Okay, so there is no line here. So for horizontal, here we have the 8 ones together. We are encircled that 8 ones. That is called as a octet. Octet means the 8, right? For vertical, so this is the vertical. See here. So pair andre 2 ones irutte, quad andre 4 ones, octet andre 8 ones. So adara ನೀವು encircle ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. So that is called as a pair, octet and quad. Okay, so this basic concept ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಈ ತರ 8 ones ಗೆ ನಾನು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು, that is a octet. If I am encircled for 4 ones, you should know that is quad. So if I encircle with the 2 1, that is called pair. Okay, so now we'll solve the K-map using this pair, quad, octet. Okay, so that solving the problem or solving the K-map using pair, quad or octet, that is called as a reduction. That is called as a reduction. So first one is a reduction of pair. Reduction of pair, which means we are going to solve the pair in a K-map. We are going to solve the pair in a K-map. So first you need to write a K-map here. So I have already told. So K-map here, the complete problem come under 4 variable K-map. That's why we are taking this K-map. Okay, W, X, Y, Z. So these all things you know that. So what we have to write here, y bar z bar, y bar z, y z, and here y z bar. Right, here w bar x bar, w x, sorry, w bar x, w x, w x bar. Okay, so how to numbering it? 1 2, sorry, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So this is how we are numbering. So here, for example, one is here and another one here. This I am just giving the example. So later topic you will get to know how the one is come here. Okay. So I am just taking the example to solve the pair. How to solve the pair? Okay. Here, just consider the one is here and here also. Okay. Now, so when you look this problem, you will get here we have the two pairs, right? ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ two pairs ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೇಗೆ pair ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Because pairs are two ones, two adjacent ones. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ. So two pair we have here. Okay. So I'm just encircle that. Okay, I'm just encircle the pair. Okay. So if you are encircled, you are showing here we have the pair. That's why you should be encircle the ones. Okay. Now after this we need to solve, which means we need to write the expression. So how to write the expression? So I'm taking just f is equal to, okay. So consider the first one, the first pair. So that's why before that I'm considering first pair. That's why I'm taking P1. Okay. The output of the P1. See here. P1 output ಇಲ್ಲಿ pair ಇದೆ. So first we have to consider these two value. First we have to consider these two value. Okay. So ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the opposite variable. Opposite variable, which means one variable have the bar, another variable does not. Okay. That is the opposite, right? 0 1 ಅನ್ನೋದು opposite ತಾನೆ. So x ಗೆ ನಾವು 1 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ಬಾರ್ ನ ನಾವು 0 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 0 into 1 what? That is 0 in AND operation, because SOP is an AND operation. ಅಲ್ಲ, SOP AND operation ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 0 into 1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿದೆ AND operation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That's why here x and x bar will be cancelled. Don't cancel here, just to make you understand, I just write the cancellation here. Okay. Here x and x bar are the cancel. What we have remaining with, that is w bar. So I'm just writing here w bar. No need to write the x bar and x. So whatever I'm writing here, that is a short form. You can make it a large with a problem, but I don't want to do that. You can understand easily this way. That's why I'm doing this way of the method. Okay. So consider first we have to consider the pair, where we have the pair, and take the horizontal one. So what are the horizontal variable of this pair? So in that compare with the variables. If there is any variable with the opposite sign, which means the with bar or without bar, so that will be the cancelled. So remaining with the w bar. So I just write the w bar here. Okay. So ಅದನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ x into x is equal to x. So w bar into w bar is equal to w bar. So no need to write the 2 times of a w bar. Okay. So ಇದು horizontal lines. ಈಗ vertical ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ y bar z bar. There no need to compare with any other variable, because we have the only one variable, that is one pair of the variable, that is y bar and z bar. We have to write here y bar z bar. So this is the expression for the pair 1. Okay, this is the expression for the pair 1. Correct ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಪೇರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎನ್ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಏನೇನು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇರೋದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ನ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ತರ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನೋ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ತರ ಏನಾರು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೇರ್ 1. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ result of the next pair I took as a P2 for this one. So you have to come for the vertical expression. What we have that Wx. There is no need to compare with any other because there is no any way to compare. So what is the value here? Which with the variable Wx. So I am writing as it is. Next, from vertical we have the 2 boxes is occupied. So I am taking this 2 expression which means the variable. See here. Here we need to compare because in vertical we have the 4 variable, right? So in 4 variable we need to reduce it. So just compare these 2. So which will be the cancel? Z, because here Z, here I have the Z bar. So it will be cancel. No need to write the Z bar and or Z. So which is the remaining variable, that is why I just write the y here. I just write the y here. This will be the output for the pair 2 P2. Okay. Next we need to write the final expression, that is what is the pair 1? W bar, y bar, z bar plus. Now we have to write the plus W x bar. So this is how you write the expression in SOP, right? That's why I written plus here. Why? It is a sum of product. So here we have the 2 product. I made it a sum here. That is a sum of product in a SOP. That's why I written here plus. Okay. Don't get confused with why I written plus here. Okay. So here product ಬಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ sum ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು SOP, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೇರ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೇರ್. ಇದೇ ತರ ನೀವು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is the basic concept. Okay. So you see that pair of this. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇವೆರಡು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಎನ್ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಥರ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾನ್, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ M0 and M4. Okay, which means we have here what we had M0 plus M4 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ M0 M4 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, M15 and M14 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೋದ್ರೂ you will get the complete marks. Okay. So next, reduction of what? Reduction of what? We'll see the reduction of what? Again, reduction of what? So how to do the reduction of what? So we'll see. First we need to draw the K map for 4 variables, right? So first you need to learn how to draw the K map, then you can easily do the problem. Okay. So here Wx, Yz. Once you practice to write the K map, it will be very easy for you to draw the K map. W bar x, Wx, Wx bar. Here y bar z bar, y bar z, yz, yz bar. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, this is the K map. Next, I am writing 1 here and here also. I am writing 1 here. So, what is the meaning of what? 4 ones are adjacent, which means 4 1 ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು quad ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. So here, see here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ones ಇದೆ. So I am just encircled here. Okay. Again, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ones ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ. Full correct ಆಗಿ ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. This is like a square type. So ಅದನ್ನು ಸಹ ನಾವು quad ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. The 4 ones can be in a vertical line or horizontal line, or else they are placed like this, or else it is placed like this. This is also quad. This is also quad. So ಇದು horizontal ಆಗು ಬರಬಹುದು, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So quad 3 ಟೈಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is also quad. But only thing, the 4 ones are to be together. That is a quad. Now we have to reduce this quad. Let's reduce one. Reduce this one. I am taking Q1 is a quad 1. This one. Okay. So consider this. Here all the vertical boxes are occupied with 1, which means you have to consider all this one. Means what? M0 plus M4 plus M12 plus M8. Small m. Okay. So M0 plus M4 plus M12 plus M8. So ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವಾಗ W x ಬಾರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ W ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದ್ರ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? W ಬಾರ್ ಇದೆ, x ಬಾರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ W ಬಾರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಬಾರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇವೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. So next to W bar as it is, there is no problem. Again it will compare here. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ W bar ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ W ಇದೆ. So ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದಲ್ವಾ? So I am taking this one. So here x bar x is cancelled. Okay. Next, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೋ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಸಹ ಈ ಥರ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ for you make you understand, I am just quoting here. Okay. So x bar x here. Next I am comparing this, x is cancelled. Next I am comparing with this. So here W bar, it doesn't have the bar. Again the W and W bar is cancelled. Again the next one here left with W bar. So here we have the W again cancelled. Here x is there, x double bar is cancelled. Everything is cancelled. If there is any variable is left with, no any other variable left in this expression. Okay. So we are eliminated complete vertical variable. Next, take the horizontal one. These all are horizontal one. Next, take the vertical, that is y bar and z bar, because it doesn't have any other variable to compare, because the one is only for in this line, which means in this vertical, right? Only horizontal thing are occupied by all the rows. Okay. So here left with y bar z bar, that is a quad 1 result. That is a quad 1 result. Okay. So you have found the expression for the quad 1, that is y bar and z bar. Next we have to find the quad 2 for this part. Now, so there is no any cancellation here. Okay. W by W x bar W x bar. Okay. Okay. So now consider this part. For where in a row, this one is occupied 2 rows. I am just taking these 2 rows and comparing with these 2 rows. So x is common, only W bar is opposite, it will be cancelled. W bar is cancelled, x is common. So I am writing x. I am writing x. Again here, I am considering vertical these 2 variable. So which is the common here? Y. So z and z bar will be cancelled because it is opposite. Y is the common. I am writing the y. I am writing the y. So this is the expression for part 2. Now the final expression, that is y bar z bar plus x y. X y. Y bar z bar plus x y. This is the final expression. Okay. So this is how you reduce the or deduct the part. So you also try to yourself to solve this one. Make it here 1. So take it as a 1 part. Again make it here also. Take this is also 1 part. Okay. Try to do yourself. So all the part. All possible parts. Make your all possible part and try to solve these parts and you will get how it is work. So this is one example I am showing or I am explaining here. Okay. Next, after reduction of the quad, which is the left with? That is a octet. Octet. So we'll see the how octet is reduced, which means how to solve this one. So I'm just again we have to write the K-map. Okay. So this is the what? Sorry, K-map. So how to make a octet? So consider here. What is octet? 8 ones are together. That is the octet. See here. This is the octet. 8 ones, right? 8 ones are together here. See here. Adana now ಏನಂತೀವಿ octet ಅಂತೀವಿ. It can be placed here or else it be here or else in the vertical form. ಯಾವ ತರ ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. This is one example I am showing. Okay. Now we have to reduce this one. So here only one octet. There is no any other. Okay. I am taking one octet. So that's why I am written O1 octet. Okay. Now we have to reduce it. Just again consider this 2 because this 2 rows is occupied with this 2 1. Sorry. This 2 rows is occupied by the 1. So I am considering this 2. Again I am comparing the variable. So W is the common. There is no changes with, but only x and x bar is there. So x and x bar is cancelled. Remaining with the W. Okay. So after this, again complete all vertical lines are occupied by 1. So you just compare all the variable here. So as you like this only, it will be cancelled everything because here y bar is there, here y, again y is cancelled, z bar is there, here z will be cancelled, again y bar is here y, it will be cancelled, again z bar will be cancelled. So everything cancelled, there is nothing is left with. So your answer is quad is only left with the W. That will be the expression because only one chord is there. If there is any other chord here, for example, if there is another chord here, so what will be the, we are comparing with this one. So I am taking the chord 2. So here, which will be the cancel? X and X bar is cancelled. We are left with the W bar. Again, when you considering this complete 4 vertical lines, so you will be cancel everything. You are left with only W bar. The final result will be W plus W bar. W plus W bar. That will be the result or the expression of the octet. Okay. So this is how to reduce or reduction of the pair, quad and octet. So if you know to solve this or reduce this octet, pair, quads, that will be very easy for you to solve the next problems. Okay. Next, we'll see the map rolling. We'll see the map rolling. So what is the meaning of the map rolling? Map rolling. So what is the meaning of map rolling? Which means, so consider this is the one map, you are rolling it. Which means you are how to roll the paper, in the same thing you are going to roll this map. So that is a map rolling. So map rolling and what is map rolling? You are rolling the map. That is a map rolling. If you have any sheet, for example, consider this as a map. Consider this as the map. Okay, it contains the 4 vertical line and 4 horizontal lines. Okay, so consider this as the map. Okay, map rolling, which means we are just fold the complete map. That is a roll. How you fold or roll the paper, that is also the same map rolling. So why we need to do the rolling of this map? I'll show that why we are doing the map. For example, the one is here and here. Okay, the one is here and here. Again, this one will be maybe here or here. Okay, the one is here. I'll consider like this. Okay, the one is here and another one is here. Consider now the one is here. See here in a box 1, 12, 40 and 9. So here we have the 1. So is it pair, is it quartet, octet or is it quad? No, nothing. Because for pair the 2 adjacent ones is there. So is it there? No. So for octet the 8 adjacent one is there. Is it there? No. And quad is there, 4 ones are to be together, is there? No. So all one is different or separated here. So in this situation what we have to do? That is map rolling. In this situation we are going to do with the map rolling. How you do that? For example, consider this is a map. Okay, consider this is a map. Here the one is here. Again the one is here. And one and here the one. Right? Now I need to fold this map like this. Which means this one here, one here. I am folding this one like this. I am just rolling like this. So what it will be? The one are getting together here. Right? When you are folding this, when you are rolling this map here, so this one will be come to here. Right? Come to here. Or else, see here one, here one. I am considering this map as like this. So here one is there, here 1 is there. So I'm just rolling this side, opposite side. So once I roll this opposite side, you will get 1 and 1 is here, right? So when I rolling this map opposite side, see here, this is the opposite side here. This is the map, 1 is there. I'm just folding this opposite side. So once it get the opposite side, here, 1 here, again 1 here become like this. So now it can be a pair. Now it can be a pair. So this is how you make a pair if there is any, it doesn't have any pair, quad, octet. You have to make, if possible to make a pair, if possible to make a quad, if possible to make a octet. Okay, see here. So I'm just, this map I'm rolling opposite side. When I roll this opposite side, you will get this 1 R together, which means the adjacent one, right? So now this thing will be, what it will be, I'm just, when I fold it will be together. These two are become a pair. These two are become a pair. So now that one I considered it is a pair P1. Now I consider the pair as a P1. Okay. So now in vertical I'll take this 2 variable. In horizontal I'll take this 2 variable and compare this 2 variable. So when I compare this 2 variable, which is the common thing here, x bar. So only w bar and w will be the opposite side. It will be cancelled. Here x bar is common. I'm just writing here. I'm just writing here. Don't get confused when you are rolling this map. This one become together. So that's why I'm considering these 2 variable as a compare. As a to do the solve the problem. Okay. Now next in a vertical. So this is in the same vertical line. So I'm just taking this one. So there is no any other variable to compare. Just I have written what is as. I'm just going to write what it as. So y bar and z. So you are done with the first pair. Next we have the another one here. I'm just rolling again. Right. Now I roll like this. Now I need to roll like this. So once you roll this one, you will get these 2 together. Right. You will get these 2 together. So again you are comparing. We will take this vertical line, horizontal line. So first consider this pair as a P2. So just consider here. So it will get the Wx. There is no other variable to compare. Again you are taking the vertical line, these 2 are. So which is the common here? Z bar. Here y bar is there, here y is there. That will be cancelled. Only z bar is remaining. I am writing the z bar. The final output as it is x bar y bar z plus w x z bar. So this is the final output. Got it? So this is called as a map rolling. This is called as a map rolling. So when you are solving the problem, if you get any position like this, you have to do the map rolling. Okay. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. So while you are solving the problem, you have to apply pair, quad, octet, map rolling, everything in a one problem. One problem alle ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸಹ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Okay. Next, after this we have the another topic, that is overlapping group. Overlapping group. So we'll see that what is the overlapping group. Overlapping group. Okay. So what is the overlapping group? ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ pair ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, what is pair, how to reduce it, and what is quad, how to reduce it, what is octet, how to reduce it, and finally what is map rolling, how to reduce it. Alva? Next is a overlapping group. So in the case, if you have in a problem, if you have the overlapping condition or else in an overlapping situation, so how you are going to solve that overlapping situation? For example, here I am taking the example here. Just removing. For example, here 1 1. Okay. So for example, so one is placed like this. So how to make the pair part and octet? So there is no possible to do the octet because there is no any 8 ones are there here. But we have to possibility to do the one octet here because 4 ones are together, right? So 4 ones one jotali irodrinda you can make a one octet. Sorry, one part. So here left with 1 year, again left with 1 year. Alva? Iವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So this can be become here pair. Again this can be become here pair. ಇವೆರಡು pair ಆಗೋ chances ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ವಾ? See here. ಈ ತರ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. So you can do the pair with this one, again you can pair with this one. So here what it is now, the quad and pair become overlap. Here also the quad and pair become overlap. Alva? Overlap andre enu ondra ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಇರೋದೇ overlapping ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So here the quad is overlapped by pair, 2 pairs. So that is the overlapping. So even though when you are solving the K-map problem, you will get the situation like this, overlapping. Now, there is no problem with the overlapping. You can reduce this also. We'll see how to reduce this overlapping. Okay. So now, first consider the first this octet. Sorry, quad. We'll consider the first quad. That is Q1. So we'll solve that. So this consider the quad. So compare these two. So which is the common? X. Again this quad horizontal. So which is common? Y. So that is the result of the quad. Right? Next we'll take this one P1. Is a pair here. So I'm just considering the pair. So don't worry about is it overlap or not. Okay, adu overlap agidru sari agde idru sari. So it is considered as a pair. So now just taking here. So W bar X. Okay, again E pen compare mani, which is the common here Z. This will be cancelled. Z I am writing. Again next P2 here. So in a vertical, just take the vertical. Horizontal. So you have the name. What is the common W? This will be cancelled. It means the W. Again in a vertical you have the Y Z. The final result final result xy plus w bar xz plus wy z. This is the final result. This is how you are reduce the or solve the problem of overlapping. Okay. So this is how you are solving the overlapping. Even though you have a okay, this is the one type to solve the overlapping. So we have the another. So how we'll see the how you solve the problem. For example, ಇವಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಪೇರ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಪೇರ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಒನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ ಅಗೇನ್ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೇರ್. because this already paired with in two ways. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. This is also possible to make a pair, but don't consider this. If you are consider that become a overlapping. So how to reduce that overlapping? By eliminating this pair, that will be the solution for overlapping. So now you got the two pairs. You have to write the expression for two pairs and make a complete one expression. So this is how you are reducing the group. How to reduce the group, especially when overlapping. So here, if you are considering this also one pair, it become a three pairs, right? Become three pairs. So now we have to reduce the group. How we are reducing? Just negating this pair because of we already these two ones are already within the another pair. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಪೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವೆರಡು ಪೇರ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬರೀ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Now. So until this, so what I did till now, so this is the basic concept. So what I did till now, that is a basic concept for you. So how to make a pair, how to solve the pair, how to make solve the map rolling, how to solve the overlapping groups. These all are the basic concept. If you know or if you learn it properly, then the problem will be very easy for you. This is very important topic. So I am repeatedly telling that it is very important topic in examination board. The 5 marks question will be asking for this problem. 5 marks ke ee problem kele keltare. ಯಾವ ತರ SOP ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, POS ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you can score 5 marks easily. From now on, we'll start with a problem. How to solve the problem. Here, reduce, this is the question, how they are asking, reduce f of a, b, c, d is equal to sigma m of 0, 2, 7, 8, 10, 15 using K-map. Solve this or reduce this using K-map or Karnaugh map. So this is the question how they are asking in examination board. ಈ ತರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Reduce f of a, b, c, d is equal to sigma of m of 0, 2, 7, 8, 10, 15 using K-map. Okay. So ಈ ತರ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ K-map ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So till now you learned how to draw the K-map, so how to solve the pair, squad, octet that is come under the K-map, how to solve the map rolling, overlapping in the map, right? This all you know, but you don't know how to take this value in a K-map. Alva? So first, ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ABCD ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ABCD ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ABCD ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ. ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್? Which symbol they have given? They are given sigma. They are given sigma m. Sigma m means what? That is min term. That is min term, which means that is in the SOP. That is in a SOP problem. Sigma anta ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು that is a min term SOP. SOP ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ SOP ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ POS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಒಂಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು POS ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೂ ದ SOP ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ SOP ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. SOP, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, first you have to confirm that what are the variables they have given. So here they are given ABCD, but you are using in the KMAP XYZ, so that will be the complete wrong problem. You have practiced it with a variable, different variable, but what they have given, if you are not using that, your complete problem will be wrong. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಯಾವ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, WXYZ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಏನು ABCD. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅದು ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೇನೋ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ಆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ that's why first you observe what the variables they have given. After that, which symbol here represent sigma which means minterm SOP. Okay. After that you have to draw the map. ಅಷ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ABCD ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾ AB ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, CD ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Or else you can take with a capital. Okay, expression ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ easy ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, ABCD. After that, here A bar B bar, A bar B, AB, A B bar. Again here C B bar, C bar D, CD, CD bar. Again now numbering 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, ಏನು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಯಾವ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ KMAP. ಸೊ KMAP ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್? ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರ ನಂಬರ್ಸು ಅದನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ 1 ಹಾಕಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ 1 ಹಾಕಿ, ಬೇರೆದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ 0 ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಿದು SOP ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಿಂಟಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 0. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ we have 0. In a 0 place I am placing 1. Next 2. So where is 2? Here I am placing 1. Okay. Next 7. There is 7. 1. Next 8. 1. Next 10. 1. Next 15. I am placing 1. Got it? See, you will get 1 here. Before that you will get confused why ma'am written 1 here there, right? ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಂಕ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನೇನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ 1 ಹಿಯರ್, ಲೈಕ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು 1ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನು ಬಾಕಿದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಕಿ 0 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Don't consider this, just place the 0. But if you forget to place the 0, you will lose the marks. If you 0 happen and marthodre, again you will lose the marks. You should place the 0 also. There is no value for that, but still you have to write. Okay. Next, after that, now what is the possible? We can make a pair, quad, octet, anything. So what is the possible? So here the two ones are adjacent, so encircled. This can be a 1 pair, right? After that, here 1 is there, 1 is again here. So I'm just what I'm doing, it becomes a quad actually. Quad. So how? ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ, ಪೇಜ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾವ ಥರ ರೋಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೋಲಿಂಗ್. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಇದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನಾನು 4 ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಏನು 4 ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದಿಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ತಂದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್. ಈ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟೂ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಒನ್ quad. Okay, so now we have to reduce. Take a P1. Okay, so P1 pair 1 just take here, this is the common B. A bar is cancelled, remaining with B. You are going to write B. Next, going to towards the vertical, here you have the CD. There is no cancellation there. Okay, again this the quad taking together, right? ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಎ ಬಾರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ 1. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಅದು ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಿ ಬಾರ್ ಡಿ ಬಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಬಾರ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ C bar, C will be cancelled, only remaining with the D bar. Right. Now final expression become BCD plus D bar D bar. So this is the final result. This is the end of the problem. So that's the problem. Ist madidre you will get the 5 marks. Okay. So this is the question how they are asking, and the more important is how to draw the K-map, how to notify all the numbers, which means marking the numbers, and make a pair, quad, octet, whatever it given. Okay, and how to solve the problem. Draw ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 1 marks. Again you draw ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ numbering ಮಾಡಿ ಇದಾಕರೆ 2 marks. Final result 2 marks, total 5 marks. Solve the expression. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 marks. Got it? So I'll give one question for you. Try to do yourself. This is the one question I'm giving. I'm just changing the number here. Okay? So you also draw the K map. You also marking all this number as a 1, and to solve the K map and give the final expression. Okay? Try to do yourself. If you are getting any doubt, you can ask me in a group, right? So I will continue with this problem in the next class. So even though I will do 2 or more problem under this topic, again I will do this problem in the topic of POS form. Okay, that will be the end of your this chapter. Okay, so this is a very easy. Don't worry about this. So if you learn this, you will get the 5 marks easily. This end with today's topic. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.